In this video, I'll show you how to get a Robinhood Gold referral bonus using the mobile app. Robinhood sometimes offers referral rewards when you invite new users to join the platform and complete the required steps. First, open the Robinhood app on your phone and sign into your account. Once you're on the home screen, tap on your profile icon in the bottom corner to open your account menu. After that, look for a section called Referrals, Rewards, Invite Friends, or Promotions depending on your app version. Tap on it to continue. Inside the referral section, Robinhood may show your current referral offers and any bonuses connected to Robinhood Gold. Read the promotion details carefully because referral rewards can vary depending on the current offer and your account eligibility. If a gold referral bonus is available, you'll usually see instructions explaining how many people you need to invite and what actions they must complete after signing up. Next, copy your referral link or tap the share option to send the invitation through text, email, or social media. The person you invite typically needs to create a Robinhood account using your referral link and complete any required steps, such as identity verification or funding their account. Once the referral requirements are successfully completed, Robinhood may reward you with a bonus such as free stock, cash rewards, or gold-related promotional benefits depending on the active offer. You can usually track the status of your referrals directly inside the rewards section of the app. If your referral bonus is not appearing, make sure the invited user followed the correct referral link and completed all required account steps. You should also update your app to the latest version and review the promotion terms carefully since some rewards have time limits or eligibility restrictions. And that's how you can get a Robinhood Gold referral bonus. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple app tutorials.